Digits on the beat.
Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new. My name is Maya and I'm a freshman at the illustrious Spelman College, you already know. These are just my college vlogs, you guys are just coming along this journey with me. So this week is actually going to be the first full week of class. So I decided I will vlog the first week for you guys. I'm going to get more into vlogging. My vlogs this semester are going to be like much more interesting than last semester. And I'm gonna try to vlog. That's the thing, like I be forgetting to vlog and then I be feeling awkward in certain places, like just pulling up my camera and talking to it. But you know what, F that, we get over that fear. So yeah, I actually just got back from home. I know you're probably like, you just moved in, you went back home? Yes, I went back home for my brother's 16th birthday party. It was cool, it was great, they had fun. I do have some work that I have to do for my classes. Last week, because of the snow, I only went to 2 classes last week. 2 or 3, I went to 3 classes last week. I didn't go to all my classes, basically. So I just gotta read some stuff for my lit class and for my Spanish class, so that's not gonna take long. Oh, and I do have to reply to this thing. I can do that tonight. I don't have English tomorrow. Oh, yes I do. I got it at 11. Let me show you guys my schedule for this semester. So this is what my semester is looking like. My classes, my latest class gets out at 5:45, but that's only Monday and Wednesday. So I like this schedule much better than last semester. Trap karaoke. Apparently we having trap karaoke. I ain't know nothing about no trap karaoke. But I just got back, so let's go to trap karaoke. Guess I'll play with me.
You be so fresh, dog. Why you keep your foot on these niggas' neck? Hey, so we at the top, but we really from the bottom.
Yeah.
I can spin around and keep the beat still inside. Now your mouth wide, you looking real scared. I'm a man, eat a head, hunter, I'm prepared. Yeah, you right. You right. I was on the plane with the rain. You can call me Whitley, I go to hell, man.
Listen, I'm the baddest in the school, the baddest in the game. Excuse me,
Oh my God.
I'm the baddest in my lane. When you Yankee, I was with a bass, I was fishing the Frankie. These
Fuck, nigga, fight, fuck. What? Should we get on? Shut up.
Come on.
Money man, to one nightclub. Man, get some money.
Good morning, guys. So it's the first full week of class, and we're getting ready for our 10 o'clock. She, look at her. Ooh.
I had to dress up for the first real week of class.
Can't relate. I'm chill.
I told you to. No, why you took that shirt off?
Cause I didn't feel like putting on different jeans. So now we are on the way. This is our psych. What's it called? This class called? Something
Physics.
similar.
Oh my God. My thing just broke again. Physics and
Okay, guys. So we just left out of there because we found out we didn't need to be in there, basically. Even though the thing said it was required, like a required option.
so he took us out. He basically, no, he didn't kick us out. We walked out. But
Yeah, but he was like, if you're in here and you're not a physics major, you're gonna be bored. And
I'm
yada
not
yada
gonna
yada.
be bored. He was a cool teacher too.
He was cool. He
He
brought us
had
donuts.
potential.
I was like, okay, this class gonna be cool. It's gonna be easy, whatever. Well, gotta find a new class, y'all.
Ice cream. He brought the cake. He brought the home. I said, Mama.
This for YouTube. Hey, YouTube! We're on the way to the Morehouse basketball game. Wow.
Where he live? College. Girl, down the street. He on the way, y'all. It's not rushing the process. Where y'all trying to go anyway? Chick-fil-A? Yeah.
just left the wellness center. We were in our spin class, but we didn't do no work today. But we're gonna go back and work out.
Because that's how committed we are. But we gotta get our earphones.
Yeah, and we gotta drop.
We
some
can't
stuff
work
off.
out with no music.
Oh, we glowing. Wow, melanin. I'm excited to work out today, y'all.
Sure you are.
I actually am. You know, last time that was a little trial.
Last
It was my first time. It was my first
She wasn't
time.
committed.
It was my first time, y'all.
Y'all see my progress? Okay, so my stomach is fat and flabby right now.
Ready?
Now it's back on, and I'm over here styling and profiling.
This ain't stopping.
Y'all, so I'm about to use this Mary Kay face wash. This is what we looking like. This is my Mary Kay ambassador. Okay, she already has it on, as you can see. So we're gonna see 20.
I don't appreciate the song if it's not connected. Okay.
How good did you? Alright, that's good enough. Now I'm gonna go wash my hands. Y'all, this is what the mask is looking like. It's really tight. So today's Wednesday and we're getting ready to go to our classes. I have my, what's today? Oh, I just said it's Wednesday. I have my lit class at 11 to 11:50. So, yeah. I feel like this has been the longest week of my life. Like, it's literally only Wednesday. I'm about to go crazy. Like, it's just been a week full of events. And I'm just like, dang, man, like, can this week hurry up? Like, I'm tired of, I can't. But anyway, yeah, I'm about to go to class. That's about it. Hey guys, so we on the shuttle on the way to Walmart. This is what it looked like. It's very noisy. And the driver done took a little bathroom break.
I'm trying to think.
She looking at toothpaste in Walmart.
I don't understand.
All I need, y'all, is a water bottle and some chapstick. And do I need some razors? No. Oh. No.
Toothpaste. Folders, dividers, pins. Folders, dividers, pins.
Holders, dividers, pen. Holders, dividers, pen. So this is the library, y'all. It's all the way on Clark's campus. But it's a nice library, not even gonna lie. It's just a long walk.
Not fly, not tie, not kite, or my Wi-Fi.
Hey guys, so today is Thursday. I haven't vlogged today, obviously. And guess where we're actually about to go?
To the bath.
To the bath. Hopefully it's good and something. So hopefully they doing something, cause anytime you go to the cafe, it's really a hit or miss. Mostly misses. Yeah. So we're gonna see. You ain't messing with my daddy. You know my heart can take no more. I just go running back to you. Baby, I don't know why you treat me so bad. Ooh, this lighting is cute. Hey guys, so we're at Which right now, which is on Morehouse's campus. Where you at? She got her little Starbucks.
She got me out here looking like a
Who look more like a boy, me or her? I'm saying me. You know why. Alright guys, so I'm about to go to an art exhibit in our little museum. I have to take notes, and I'm supposed to ask the artist a freaking question, but like,
Who cares about them?
I'm not into art, so like I don't know what to ask. Like I'm just like, I'm gonna be like, so where did you get your inspiration from? And that's gonna be my question. That's gonna be my question. Like I don't got nothing else to ask.
Zagnelli Maholi, internationally recognized South African artist and visual activist. So if any of you weren't able to make it to Autograph in London, you'll be able to see over 60 photographs of her work right here in Atlanta, only at Spelman College. And speaking of London, in just 10 days' time, President Campbell will be hosting Zoe Whitley and Mark Godfrey, the curators of Soul of a Nation, for a very lively lecture, and that's going to be on February 5th, right here in this same auditorium. But let's go ahead and get...
Okay, y'all, so we smell so good. We're at Krispy Kreme. It smells so good. Bye.
We're getting a dozen for $5. $5. $5.
Hey guys, so I just got out of my English class, so I only have one class left for today, and that's my Spanish class. And I'm so excited for today, y'all. I'm just so happy that it's freaking Friday, bro. Like, I'm so happy. I'm in a great mood today. So today is Friday, and if you know Spelman culture, you know that Friday normally means Market Friday. We had it last Friday, but I didn't go, and I heard it wasn't that good last Friday. I might go this Friday. I don't know. If I do, I'm keeping on this same outfit because it's like, it's chill cute. I'm gonna go to some parties this weekend so y'all can see the party life in the AUC. So make sure you stay tuned for the rest of this video. It might be long, but stay tuned. I got some good stuff for y'all. Hey y'all, so we are on the way to Chick-fil-A because we hungry, bro.
Bailando.
Bailando. Ugh. What is that, a grape?
A chair.
Oh, same difference.
Maiya has her neck out, and the flu is like flying around, so she want to get sick.
What?
She want to get sick. Just that jacket up. See, I got my neck covered.
Where? Oh, tell us about the fit. Tell us about the fit. Ooh. Oh. Oh my God.
Fashion over. Sleep with my Bart talk.
So this is the front of Campus, y'all. That's Spelman, obviously, and then Morehouse is back down there.
I tried to go the sunny route, but
Yeah, it's not really sunny anymore. We got some
shaded out
Chick-fil-A.
to the track where it's at.
I really want to take a nap, but I also kind of want to go to Market, but I'm tired. And Market probably ain't gonna
And
be
it's
all that.
cold.
It's cold. And yeah, it'll be many more markets. So
That's outside, preferably.
yeah. Crazy, crazy, crazy. Don't go to the 90s party. Are you serious? Somebody just put that in the group chat. Bruh.
Hannah, get it together.
You're not about to act like you my mother.
Hannah, we have
Y'all
not
are
even
crazy.
gotten
Hey.
to the party.
Oh, no,
I
let me.
can't do
Okay, so
this.
now it's my time for narration.
Oh my God.
Oh, no. Hi, it's my turn.
You're crazy.
You're crazy too.
Hi, YouTube.
Okay, where you at, Sydney? Where you at?
I'm a native YouTube fan. I mean, not fan.
They
what's
can't
it
see
called?
where Hannah at. You always lash his jacket. Now you're gonna try to see
You
that.
putting
this on YouTube? Don't put me on YouTube.
I got it. Okay, you want me to put you on there?
Yeah, block my face out when you put it up.
Okay. Oh my God.
Why you-
Yeah. Yeah.
King Zuzi.
Back at the HH. Back. We done had a crazy night. That party was dead. Don't play.
You don't do that. Go down there.
Don't put them on here.
Wait, so
Are you coming? Come over.
Hello, Maiya's. What is this? This is not Snapchat. My followers.
my Wi-Fi.
My Wi-Fi's. Goodbye.
Very good in college. Like every test she gets, she aces it.
Dang.
Every time. She might make a B. Might. That's a maybe.
Dang, that's good.
Must be nice.
I know.
And if she make a B, it's always a high B. It's never a 95 or a
Do you like football?
I can care less about it.
I feel that.
I mean, I don't necessarily like it, but UGA, this is my dogs.
I don't like college football really.
Hey,
Where
UGA
y'all
had
headed
it
to?
here.
Where are we headed?
Where y'all headed to?
A house party on Grapevine. Yeah.
You say your boyfriend.
Huh?
You say your boyfriend house?
No, a house party.
Oh,
Mm-hmm.
I'm messing with you. Y'all going to a house party?
Mhm.
Okay.
Hey y'all, so it's about 5 o'clock. Literally just got back to HH. Oh, my hair looks a hot mess. Mary Max was cool. It was pretty good. So if you're in Atlanta, definitely recommend you go to Mary Max. The line, we literally waited for like an hour and some change though, but it was good. So right now I'm about to take a nap, and then I'm gonna get up, do some work, and then I don't know. So please guys, like, comment, subscribe this video. I'm thinking about doing like weekly vlogs every week. So if you like this vlog, please let me know in the comments if y'all like these weekly vlogs so I can do more of them for you guys. And if so, I will definitely make more, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.